narrow and the other traditional model of AI and versus generative AI. Okay, and then generally, what is the life cycle we are adopting or following for AI application development and deployment? Okay, in this, obviously, in the market, who are all the major AI players and why these many players? Maybe you can ask. Okay, so what are all these players? Even example, we can say that why IT calendar? Other people are also there. So we should have our specific branding here. How the quality of outcome we are giving and making the same thing. These different people are also having specific nature on their business success. So we have to understand it because we are going to handle those AI players. Okay, right. Then real world applications. These are all the first basic topics. Maybe today, whatever as much as possible, I'm going to cover. Right. Then second topic onwards, we'll go with what is like LLM, prompt engineering, RAG, MCP. These are all the second layer. Immediately we need to understand and then we need to work to. Sorry, maybe I need to not shared all the screens. Screen. Okay. So here, this is what I talk about the initial one and the second for because this recording I will share with you also. That's the reason. Okay. So AI engineering course syllabus and the first one AI basics. Today we are going to see whatever the applicable on the AI basics topics and content. And then in the AI topic basics, that's what I just now gone through it. And we are going to see the AI foundations, like what is AI, ML, deep learning, generative AI, weak and strong AI, and narrow AI, traditional versus the generative, and life cycle on the AI, the development and the deployment, and the major players. These are all we are going to see. And then the second and the third, I'm going to give you in the further, but a high level understand that these are all the sequences. Like a second layer is LLM, prompt engineering, RAG, and MCP, where really without the prompt engineering and LLM, no AI. Because LLM is a large language model. Always, if I'm asking something, if you want to do something, the already the brain should be there. Already the content should be there. Where? In the LLM. So that's the reason we need to have the LLM, prompt engineering, RAG, and MCP. So we are going to see stage by stage on those areas. Okay. And then the third concept, we are going to see AI agents and no code platform. Okay. Meaning of the same AI layers are like a coding platform, non-coding, no coding platform. Okay. So first layer is no coding platform because as an engineer, I will understand without doing the code how I can able to do some AI programming and outcome. Second layer, the same person, I'm going to implement something by writing the code, Python code and the other libraries to make it achieve. So both are possible. Again, based on the weightage, no code platform will have lower weightage. With the coding platform, we have the higher weightage, obvious, based on the skill set and the talent. So our responsibility, we are going to have both the area. Okay, right. First with the
coding platform.
Is
it just Python? No, different language.
No, Python. Basically, we are just going with Python, and also I will tell you, we are going to explain you about what are all the proper libraries which you want some request, special additional request to need. Okay, fine, fine. Because then at the end it should not be productive. Then I will feel very bad. Okay, fine. So. What is AI? Already we thought discussed. It's an artificial intelligence. Real intelligence. When the people already started understanding and working on the software, okay, so they do you think which period they may started thinking of AI? Just I want the rough year.
Roughly 10-15 years ago.
Okay. Any other suggestion? Raj, even I can suggest to go back, Raj. Go back, Raj. Go back. You will surprise now. I'm going to tell you. Really.
Maximum 25 years.
Okay. Okay. John.
Maybe 50 years.
50 years. Need, please. 1980. Okay, fine. Actually, even I came to know these people are talking about the 1950s. 1950s onwards, they are talking about like a prediction. I'm saying that by the time only they are thought of, there will be some software, it will come and understand the human intelligence. Okay, so They are talking about 1950s onwards. Okay, so that's what AI. See, honestly, now after we are readable,
Yes.
readable. Okay, right, John. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay, right. So artificial intelligence AI is the branch of computer science. I cannot say that this is something outside because earlier, whatever the software we are written, now also that's what we are referring, maybe the Python program or other program, which is part of computer science. I cannot say that it's something is outside. Okay. So artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science that aims to create machine capable of task, okay, performing task that typically requires the human. Now also some machine, even processor or system in my laptop, machine capable of performing some task, but it cannot do itself. It needs some human intelligence. That intelligence we are giving through the AI. That's it. Okay. These tasks, including these tasks, whatever we are going to perform, that needed first learning. First learning. Raj told Anna, next class, I need this topic, Anna. Anna knows something. Even I don't know something. I will, okay, Raj, I will read something additionally and I will complete. That's what I have to do as a trainer or as a person. Okay. Learning Actually, here the deep learning concept is very interesting part, because how really see here they are not done something different than our reality. Completely they are followed this artificial intelligence, deep learning with our neural regular network in their way of how to implement. Okay, then only they found the exactly they mapped all the concepts, but that is not the real. That's the actually system based. That's it. But
So
concepts.
basically, they're trying to mimic human brain. In the human brain, we are not using 100% of capability. We only use 2% of it.
Whatever it is, but still the same conceptual they are following.
Yeah.
Same.
So if it is 100% of it, it's called superhuman.
Superhuman.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
And how exactly the current our human system is available, they are trying to mimic the same thing. Some implementation. I'm doing some implementation for some solution. That solution is working, but other things are pop up. Like our regression testing,
Yes.
they are identifying a lot of other defect based on the new requirement or defect fixes. New, they should not induce the defect. Okay, that's called the side effects. Side effect should not be there. Should not be there. Why I'm saying is, even I'm also PA person, I'm also the generic support person. That's what I'm not common always. Raj. Okay. So side effect and reward hacking should not be there. Next topic is reward hacking. No? Reward hacking is nothing but maybe for comedy, some movie they will say, okay, some comedian will get the gift, and then his friend will issue, hey, you win. Love computer system, this one and this one, ML also I spoke about it, right? And deep learning, neural network or whatever the under that deep learning, generative AI. Then what is the difference between regular AI and AI? It will generate something for you new. Okay, not like just the AI. You are asking, hey, can you please write a letter for your specific requirement? It will generate. Okay, you can produce something. Okay, that's what we are calling as a generative AI. Generate as a new, as a concept, or based on my requirement, you have to do something. Or you need some audio or video or photo or whatever image, everything generated. It's a Gen AI. Is a see here a model capable of creating new original content, whatever text, image, or a code, or rather than just classifying existing data.
Very good concept. So he said three type of areas. One is would be the narrow one.
Extracting something, it will do based on the data.
So the weak one, can it evolve? Can it self-learn?
Weak one, can it self-learn is based on your configuration. Example, I will tell you. You have some data. Mostly it may not, because it will be based on the data. Unless otherwise, I will give the new another set of data to train, it may not understand. Example, I have my baby. My baby, till I have given some data, she knows. After that, I need to feed another data set, then only she knows. Otherwise, she don't know. Is the weak. But this side, you are configuring in the environment, only through the environment it can evolve. Example, after we are going to the job, through the job knowledge, we are evolving more. There we are learning by default. I cannot say that, no, I won't learn, means then I'm not the proper person to that environment. Is the regularly. Traditional ML versus generative is the like whatever pattern recognition, content creation, predictive, complex reasoning. This everything is part of the generative AI, because it's a traditional ML meaning of only data wise. See here, like pattern recognition. Okay, this is like Gen AI. Which one? Content creation is generative AI. Predictive accuracy is coming as the ML. Okay, and complex reasoning, generative AI. So based on what we want, accordingly, it will also go with, see, basically only one thing. We are only deploying, we are only doing the solution. I have developed some algorithm and some small area to give the solution ML. I'm configuring some LLM and some specific other algorithm to give the complex solution means it will. Even generative is you are creating something and doing the outcome is generative.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will fall under the existing one. That's it. See here, the difference is traditional ML focused on analytics and prediction. Okay, something like a fraud detection and recommendation engines. That's it. Okay, data based on the data.
For example, image. If we dog images, and then if you do dog, it can detect dog.
And that's it.
Cat, it cannot detect cat.
Correct. Yeah. Because even that is also already trained only, already available only. It's not generating anything there. That's it. Predictive. These are all part of predictive only. Generative is focused on creating and transforming. Is the creating and transforming. Okay. Like a power agents, creating, writing, and coding assistant. Everything is newly coming up.
So we can say, I know it's too much comparison, but we can say maybe traditional ML is close to RPA. Not RPA, but close to RPA.
Some level. But only the thing is, see, consider everywhere in ML also, we can take some predictions. We can take some ML will also do the analytics and then prediction outcome. RPA won't do any predictions. RPA won't involve with any logic, memory, or decision. That's the difference between why ML is coming as part of AI means it will give the decision and the predictions.
Even if you have if-else statements also, it will.
When did your last training completed means it will give the period. Till this period, I got trained. Some months, some period, it will tell you.
So after that, it not learn anything.
No, it won't learn by default. If you are configuring based on your such, it will ask, there is a configuration. Yes, you can learn means it will learn. Otherwise, it may not. It's not like completely something training by default happen. No, that's what the cutoff version. That's what the cutoff version. So even the price, the services is based on the model. Why? Because that's the one. And that's all. Okay. Because if you are using the latest version, you may pay more because it's learned more.
That's why I'm sure it's configured not to learn.
No, whatever. No, even learn or not to learn with the existing model, that's different. So what I'm trying to tell you, the latest version, anything, if you are using, suppose you are using 5x, anything. 5x, you want to pay more.
Yes.
Okay, suppose I'm using like a 4.0, something like that. Maybe I will pay less because that's a different version than the latest version. Yes. So according to the services, even the facility will totally differ. Okay. So accordingly, we are using the models and the content. Okay, because even what are all the features, you can go to the history release note. They will clearly mention based on the previous to the current what exactly the difference and what is the cost associated. Also, we can able to see. Okay, even in the next session, I will exactly run the content and I will show you how the company will do some POC before we are implementing any solution. Right. POC, proof of concept, is always will comply with not only single way of approach. I will go the same solution with implementing different version. Finally, I will show the management. I did the groundwork. I have this output. What is my suggestion to the management? First, 1, 2, 3 ranking. Then my management will review and then they will take a call. Okay, this is the final one. That's what we are doing. Yeah. Everywhere. Yeah. So here also, please follow the same approach to do the POC whenever you are doing any suggestion or the thing. By keeping all the pros and cons and submit it to the management or the next layer, it's not like one-man army. We can forcefully implement something because anything we are taking the decision together. That's the safest way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. So you are using Claude or Gemini. See here, Gemini is like a native multi-model integration. Gemini 1.5 Pro feature as a massive 2 million token context window.
Which one you want to select?
To us.
Yeah.
It is a very much latest needed. We can go with that. Otherwise, what is needed? What is the solution? Exactly, we can keep. And my personal or not personal, the proper industrial practice of suggestion is, even though you know this is the model I can go, this is the one I can implement, better to take at least another 2 also, 2 to 3 references as a POC and then submit all 3 and give your proposal to them saying that this is the way I will implement. That's the right way. healthy environment, because even exactly playwright now you are suggesting to the company, Cypress. At least take another tool, Cypress, in the market. What is the advantage between these two? They will feel, yes, Raj done very nice work, because this is the current trend tool, and he compared a different tool, and yes, really this is the world. Okay, granted. But if I'm saying that only one outcome, they will feel that whether in industry nothing else is not available. Even if something is there or not also, we should first of all ourselves satisfy we are done the right groundwork. That's it. Okay. So these are all the evaluation we should go, safety and scale. And then the open source revolution, like Llama, and then there are something open source also there without any payment or whatever. Also, you can use based on their eligible model things. Now you don't want those, then you have to control through the prompt or through the other service provider. That's it. So key insight, different model excel in different aspect of business problem solving. With the ChatGPT, okay, maybe providing the most executive friendly format, Claude offering deeper reasoning, and Gemini delivering the practical data oriented solution. So what is needed is ours. And the cost versus quality analysis also, that's what I told. I will run this one in the next week and I will show you also. Okay, this is the technical coding also. We can ask the prompt and we can get it. Okay, so these are all not a create a content. No, these are all different one. That's it. No. For this level, we don't want any coding content, because we are just trying to understand the LLM and how to use it. For this, no need of coding anything, nothing. Even another tool you need. Because that's what once again I'm coming back to you. Whatever the agent which you are going to use, okay. Example, already we are understanding that coding, no coding. No coding like NI10 or whatever. For that, you may not need it with LLM. Because already that people are already integrated with Node. NI10. For everything they have, internally they are using that, we do not know. Now you are coming to the coding part. Coding part without LLM, that's not AI. You are writing something, you are doing something with using any of the LLM. So you need.
So do one thing, go to Google.
You need.
There are so many videos out there of just say creating agent in 15-20 minutes. Just like
one thing I will tell you one thing. For your sample only, John, just for your understanding, John. Not recently, long back I have done something. Okay, long back. What I done, I'm not going to run also. Just I want to show you, John. Okay, see, in my Visual Studio, the same ChatGPT example, the same ChatGPT, instead of going towards the ChatGPT UI, I thought of through code.
Right.
Through code.
Right.
Okay. Because consider this is like LLM. I'm using the same one, but through my UI. I'm not using going inside the ChatGPT and asking.
Right.
I'm doing through my laptop or through my this particular coding platform UI.
Right. So
okay.
You have an interface.
That's it. That's it. That one just I want to show you. Just I want to show you the recent one. Simple chatbot. Okay.
So this Copilot, huh? VS Code Copilot.
Right. See here. So now here, if you are seeing, client open AI, okay. So key also I have given the key. Why? I'm connecting through API. See, I can open the chat GPT directly through my browser and I can connect. Here, if I'm saying Here I can ask something, John, correct?
Yeah.
I will get the answer.
Yeah.
But the same thing, I have to connect through my code.
Yeah.
First, how I will open the required content. Integration needed, no, from my coding platform to there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So first we are saying that client OpenAI, this is the API key.
Yeah.
So I have created the bridge.
Yeah.
Then I'm saying print something chat whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm maybe I will give some input. Give the input. Then I will get the output. Then I will get the output.
Yeah.
Something. So this is through the coding platform.
Python.
Ah,
Python, yeah.
exactly. Exactly. Okay. Simple Python. Why I'm saying means these are all very simple. How much line? 3-4 lines. That's it. So you can. This is how we are going. Here.
This interface the one we created.
No, no. Here it will. I will handle it through the Copilot down only through my console only, not terminal only, not there.
Oh, okay.
It will give something. Okay, type something, and then I will give the input, and then I will get the.
This agent creates studio.
No. This is not even agent.
Yeah.
This is why I'm saying that these are all the different way which we can able to generate. What is my expectation business goal?
Yeah.
I want to connect the LLM.
Yeah.
Instead of directly I'm going and typing something here,
Yeah.
the same thing I will type something here and get it. That's all.
Yeah.
But going forward, this is what we want. In company or whatever the solution which we are going to provide, we may not open here.
Mm-hmm.
We want to open here. We will open here.
Yeah.
That's it. Got it.
Yeah.
Because for them, manually I cannot do that. I will connect it through my code.
So what interface is this?
VS Code, VS Code, and use a simple program,
VS.
simple Python program. That's
Yeah.
it.
And
Later I will.
Copilot itself here to the right side. Yes, that is there.
Suppose we don't want consider. I don't know.
Yeah.
Even later, next session, I will create it and show you also.
Yeah.
Simply we can ask, hey, do something. This is what my requirement.
Yeah.
Okay, create something and give it to me. This guy will do it.
That's what I did, for this one. What I did was I installed Playwright, and I installed Playwright Server MCP.
That's it.
And then from there, from the prompt, I said, this is my URL.
Correct.
Okay, again, I provided user and password. And then, log into that and then generate some tests. And then with the agentic loop, MCP agentic loop, it will generate tests. That's one way.
And even locator, everything, if you are showing the path only, it will take.
Yeah, I didn't even show it. It just does it by itself. And if it's context, then you create context file and then you write the steps there. Yeah.
See, example, next level, I will even show this one also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Here, okay, something I want to write something. Okay, so here only write a prompt level. Write a prompt.
Yeah.
I want to generate this particular simple chat.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, simple chat for this purpose or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I have to say also use with by connecting the API key, whatever. Yeah. Then it will generate and it will give the complete code. Okay, but not now. I do not. Yeah. Tell me.
This is a Copilot chatbot.
Correct.
Okay. This is your. Is it like context file where you give instruction and then you say follow these instructions? Is it like that?
Actually, we are already mapped this guy. This UI is already now with VS Code only.
Oh.
This UI we are plugged.
Right.
We plugged this LLM, this UI, this particular Copilot to our VS Code.
Yeah.
Whatever you are typing here also,
this
guy will understand it.
Right. So you don't need to type something in and say that follow this one and then do something.
No need. No. Here I'm typing only, this guy will listen. Simple. That's it. That's the reason even right click and you can say that correct it and review it, you can update this guy will. Because already plugged in. Right. If not plugged in, then they won't understand. Yeah. That's simple. No complexity now,
Yeah.
and everything is very simple.
Yeah.
Anything else?